Hello, this is Gotorus from Gotorus Tech. In this video I will be cleaning the HP G60 laptop. This is a really old model. I did replace some parts, but they are not included in the video because they did not arrive at the same time that the video was recorded. So yeah. Now the parts that I replaced are as follow: Silicon Power SSD 1TB. Silicon Power SSD have been really reliable, not to mention affordable. It is $69.99 USD at time of filming, and it is expected to go down, of course. I also replaced the battery. Please do note that the older the laptop model, the more expensive the battery will get. This laptop also needs a new power cord. Now the thermal paste that I use is the thermal paste Arctic MX-5. However, I do not like this type of thermal paste because it is like really sticky, and they even have instructions on how to remove it when you put it on a CPU in your main computer. So if you want to use this one, you're welcome to use it, but I recommend caution if you plan to do regular maintenance on this computer. The thermal paste that I recommend are the Winbow thermal paste, the HP 13 thermal paste kit, and you can never go wrong with the Noctua NT-H1 Pro Grade. I also use a Thermalright thermal pad. I personally like this because it is like a really thick thermal paste. Now I won't be talking anymore in this video. I hope you liked watching me repair the laptop, well, clean the laptop, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and see you soon, I guess.